Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can simply create a subtask or how you can add subtasks in your tasks in Any.do. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you simply click on your task and then you're gonna see here subtasks, and you just want to simply add a new task and just like right here, and also do another 20 push-ups, right? Another 20 push-ups, and I can simply click here and voila, we got it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.